Live today, which is the period of opportunity.
Yeah, or die opportunist. Put on that to-do list. I grew out the sewage, coming out the bluish. I could tell who is the man over there, cause he don't stand in the newest. He stay out the latest, plotting on the A-list. Can't outgrow the sewage, hair turning grayish. Gone without the pool stick, close friends rated. Started in the youth pit, to old man gated. Let him live today, he'll sell the opportunity. Sleeping at awake, yelling out a eulogy. My heart was in the sink, ain't let a drought ruin me. I'm smarter than you think, never doubt truancy. I talk, you let it sink. I'm yelling out jewelry, I start to get a drink. Forget about unity, my partner's in the clink. Checking out, soon to be the hardest niggas shrink. Stretch them out, shoot a spree.
I called you in righteousness, and I'll hold your hand.
No, call on the righteous, they talk you out of it. Can't hold my hand, I was raised off the ground for this. Niggas ain't believe, I ain't pray on who doubted it. Married it, the game owes the proposer a lot of shit. He never divorced, left a widow. Told him instead of the porch, catch the window. Dealt with a federal source, fetching info. Bet if he mentions the horse, every man goes. Yo, it gets colder, so does the shoulder. He ain't gon' learn till he know it's over. Round my way, the bodies compete with the overdoses. Nowadays I got it discreet, no one knows us. Motorollas, cut from that cloth, older aura. Dump a pack off, drove the chauffeurs. Yeah, I just want them to live today. Yeah, don't let none of them things ricochet.
Standing on the streets talking about it. You make the choice. Likewise, if we've got heaven in our heart.
This thing of ours can't force them to think of power. The least they could do is bring the flowers. Youngin' don't wanna live today and need a shower. Speaking powder, stomach in knots, feed the growler. Sure, it went from sweet to sour. Righteousness, can't teach them how to. Life's a bitch, can't lead without her. You might get missed, might get rich.
Can't mix hell and heaven together. If we have hell in our heart, that's where we're going. We can't carry it to heaven.